I'm Cheyenne and I'll show you how to make a snowy pinecone garland. A pinecone garland is a fun way to create a festive atmosphere at Christmas. To create a pinecone garland, you'll need a hot glue gun and glue sticks, spray paint, dust mask, adhesive hooks, twine, and of course pine cones. I'll be using plastic pine cones, but if you've got real ones, feel free to use those too. The first step is to spray paint your pine cones. Spray your pine cones with a white spray paint. Allow the white to dry and then spray over the top with glitter for a beautiful sparkly effect. Cut the twine that your pine cones will hang off. Make sure to use different lengths for a staggered look. Tie the twine to the pine cones and glue the knots to secure them. Cut a long length of twine to fit the area you want to hang your garland. Tie your pine cones to the long piece of twine, staggering your short and long pine cones. I'm going to do the two end pine cones first so I know how much space I've got in the middle. Make sure you leave a little extra room for loops at the end. The final step is to hang your garland. I'll be using these adhesive hooks to hang them from the window frame inside. The garland looks fantastic. These snow-capped pine cones will be a beautiful addition to your Christmas decorations.